Hey everyone, what the? Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Animal Company, and I'm with Holy Player. Give me one. No, give me one, please. Give me one, please. Bro, I want one. How many do you have?
They call me Big Chungus.
Yeah, I wonder why. Can I have another one? You're a Big Chungus.
That was my last one that I gave you.
Oh. Anyways, so.
Are you Big Chungus?
God dang. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so Holy Player, what should we do? Man.
My iPad! No, please! Mommy, no! No, please! No, please, actually don't. No, please.
Turn off.
No! Please. Give me both, bro. Bro, that's rare. I can't even get another one of those.
I'm gonna give it back to you. You're grounded.
Nah, I'll put that away. I'll put that away and that away, okay?
You're grounded, okay? If I see you with it again before the end of the video, you can do it at the very end of the video for the credits, but if I see you doing it at the end of the video, you're gonna get spanking. Put it in your stash.
Okay, fine. No, Dada, please.
Put it in there. Put it in your stash.
I can't have no room. I have to put it in a backpack.
Oh my god. You're getting a spanking for that. Okay, that's enough. Now people are gonna think we're gay in our videos. Okay, what should we do first?
Oh god, Child's a freaking...
Hey, we can talk about this.
Ah!
Okay, what are we gonna do?
You're whipping the block off me!
What are we gonna do, bro?
Oh. See, you're whipping the block off me! I'm turning blue!
Okay, let's just... What are we doing first? Holy Player. Put it away.
No. It's my iPad. Mom told me I can play on it.
Your mom is dead. Stop making lies. Your mom is dead.
No, she's not dead. I saw her yesterday.
You're schizophrenic. She died 2 years ago. We buried her.
No,
we buried her ourselves.
No, I was 2 years old. A 4.
Exactly.
No, I saw her in my bed looking like this. I saw her in my bed looking like that. I hugged her and said, "Mama, can I play iPad tomorrow?"
Was Uncle Jack there again?
No, he was under my bed.
What?
Yeah,
Is that
he
when
was,
I
he was
walked
under
in?
my bed. Yeah.
Why was your mom naked? What are we gonna do first? Now that we got all that situated. What are
Let
we
me
gonna
go
do first?
be black again.
Yeah, so we can camouflage, you know?
Yeah.
You blended so well. Wait, watch this. Ready? Holy player, no, holy player. Come here. Like, stand all the way over here, okay? Now just look over there. Wait, I gotta take off my elf costume. Okay, let me put my elf costume on, which is already on, but too bad. Okay, this is stupid. You can't see me, holy player.
I can't see you.
Okay, what are we actually gonna do?
Owie. Go.
What are you doing? Okay, holy player, let's go exploring. Do you have an extra pickaxe?
Yeah.
Bonk.
Take it! Right there!
Holy crap. Let's go!
Hold on. Come back.
Holy player, let's go!
Come back!
Holy player?
Just be very, very careful. Don't jump off.
What do I do? Come on. Holy player. Holy player. Come on.
I'm trying to get my flashlight.
Too bad. Go. Come on.
No.
I'm doing a freaking SOS signal. Oh my. Okay, let's go.
That's what I wanted, you imbecile. Ah!
Hold on. Wait up, holy player. Holy player, wait up. Okay. Where do we go? Bro, stop. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Over here.
Son, how do you know more than me? Ew, what's this?
I killed it! Yeah!
We both killed it together.
No, I did. Where'd you
Holy
go?
player?
Dada! Dada!
Did you fall down
Dada!
there? You missed. Come on, where do we go? I need coins.
You go down there.
No, we don't. I need currency. I don't think we go down there. What's up?
Right here, you stupid. You mind that?
Hold on. Oh, did they all
Bye, Dada.
Did they all go down there?
I'll bring it back.
No. Oh, what is that? Holy player, did you die? Holy player, did you die?
I died.
I'm cooked. Oh, hey, holy player. I'm at your body right now.
That dumb fish got me, Dada.
The fish got you.
Yes, he respawned.
Son, I'm scared. I'm at the bottom. I'm gonna use your flashlight so it doesn't despawn.
If I can, Dada. I think I can. Yay, I found the way! I found the way! I'm coming, Dada!
Son, if I die, tell mom I loved her. Wait, no, I didn't. And she's dead. Never mind. Never mind. Don't say anything. Don't say anything to her dead body. Don't say anything to her dead body because I never loved her.
Dada, where you at?
I'm at the bottom.
Hey, give me my stuff! Give it! Where'd it go?
Stop. Before you continue watching this video, before you continue watching this video, consider liking and subscribing because so our goal is to get to 100 subs by the end of the month. So we're gonna try our best, and please consider subscribing so we can make that goal. Oh my! And
help me! I'm having a seizure.
Subscribe because it gives us money, and we can help with his medical bills. Okay. So like and subscribe.
Yeah, I need medical bills. Cooking with Jacob.
Just like and subscribe, bro.
Did you die?
I killed it! I killed it!
Come back. Give me my flashlight.
I did!
Where is it
I
then?
don't know! Oh wait, let me get my gems.
Oh, I found it. I'm gonna go back for my stuff.
Wait, I'm getting my gems.
Okay, Dada, but I am for my stuff. No.
Holy player, where's my flashlight? Where's my flashlight? My flashlight despawns, holy player.
No.
Did you take it?
Check your backpack, you stupid. You suck, bro. You suck.
Where is?
Grab it.
Damn. There we go.
Now you open it, you insult. Right there, you dummy.
Wait, I need to get my gems. Hey.
Dad, do I belong in the jail cell?
my headset's almost on.
You cap.
No, I'm not. It's at 15.
You monkey!
It was at 60. Wait, more coins.
Get them. Yeah. Can I get on VR? I'm already on VR. Yeah.
What the? Holy player, how do I get up?
JD Rod's gonna join us, remember? JD Rod.
Yeah, but how do I get up?
You just grab it, you stupid!
Oh. You have to go? Holy player, get up here. No. Holy player, where do I go? Holy player, where do I go? Holy player, where do I go?
I died!
Holy player, where do I go? No.
On, you monkey!
I don't know where you're at.
Okay, I'm gonna tell our friends something.
I'm following you. I don't like it when it floats like that. Hold on.
Dada! My Dada! Dada! Can I play on the iPad?
Yes, you can. I'm just gonna sell these. Please, actually, don't take them from me, please. Okay, hopefully I can actually get coins for once.
Dada!
Okay.
Look.
Wait, stop. Please, actually.
Hey, come here, you
Hold on.
fraud.
I'm
doesn't
gonna
do
actually
damage.
get coins, please.
Come here, look.
Right?
Okay. Holy player, I didn't get any coins.
Wait! You sold his radio!
No, wait, no.
You sold his radio!
No, holy player, no, wait.
You sold his radio!
No.
He sold your radio!
No.
Did I have my backpack with me?
I think you did.
I think!
No!
No.
My passport was in there!
Yo. Fish legs, bro!
No, I didn't.
Guys, we have to go to the mine. We have to go to the mines.
I didn't think
by the
about
way,
it, bro.
This is my brother in
Get
the
your
animal
hands off!
company. This is holy,
I'm being robbed right
Holy
now.
Go out the safe zone! Go out the safe zone now!
holy player's my brother.
Then I'm your. Wait,
Go!
I'm both of your dads.
Go!
You're not Wait, you're my dad?
No, you stay
Well,
out.
I'm
Go
his
right
dad,
here.
and if you're his brother, then I'm your
Go,
dad,
go,
and I'm
go,
his dad.
Go! Go!
Yo!
Mess with a black dude, you get it, Scott. Bro, and that was my only grappler too.
Guys, no, we should
And
show
my pickaxe was in there.
no, we should show him the one place with the wire place.
Bro,
We
I
should
have
show him
no
that.
other pickaxes.
Holy
Give me
player,
my
we should show
pickaxe
him.
back. Give me my pickaxe back, you monkey.
We should show him the wire
Give me my
place.
pickaxe.
Me?
Yeah. Golly.
Holy
You
player.
sold the pickaxe.
Holy player.
No, I didn't.
What?
Holy player.
What?
I gotta go, guys.
We should show him the wires.
He's back in call. What happened?
I tried to charge my headset.
How many fingers am I holding up?
21.
What? Stupid! I'm gonna go get my radio. I'll be right back.
I'm right back, PP. I'm gonna radio.
What is that face?
I stepped on the landmine. Someone help me.
Bro, stepped on the
Help me.
What?
Oh,
Help me.
What?
he
Help
stepped
what?
on a landmine.
What landmine?
A landmine, I don't
Oh,
know.
I see his body. How do you
What,
talk
like-
in that radio? How do you talk in that radio?
You gotta put your
You put it close to your mouth!
look.
Ah! Not working.
You imbecile! You imbecile! You sold my big flashlight.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
It's down
did.
in the mines.
It was.
It's down in the mines.
No, it isn't. I picked it up.
Does anyone want to
Oh,
go to the mines? Does anybody want to go to the mines?
I can't.
I don't have any backpack.
Why can't you go? Well, then get yourself one.
I'm not gonna waste my money on that cheap crap.
Boy.
It's
Anyways, we gotta get to the
$60.
space map.
It's literally $29. You think I'm gonna buy a cheap all backpack?
Bruh. You broke. You broke.
I'm not broke.
Okay, guys, if you want me to continue this series of playing Animal Company, hit that like and subscribe button. See everybody. Peace out.